Need to save Instagram stories without the notifications? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily save the stories. Start by moving into your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to any of the specific story that you want to save. Well, once you are in the specific story that you want to save, then all you can do is take the screenshot of this story. Or else, you can see there is no any feature or the option in order to save it directly by the app itself. So simply take the screenshot of the picture that you want to save. Or else, if you want to save the video, then what you can do is simply turn on the screen recorder and then record the video that you want to save. While taking the screenshot or screen recording will not notify this person at all. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.